Hey folks, how you doing? Hope you're well. Short video for me. Just wanted to announce there's a group ride next weekend, the 20th of November. I'll pop down the further details down below this video in the comments and down in the video description as well if you want to go check it out. So basically it's a group ride, social, no drop. If we can all get there for 8:30, going to be 9 o'clock leave time, and it's Nottinghamshire. If you live anywhere near Nottinghamshire, Lincolnshire, Derbyshire, South Derbyshire, Peak District, East Riding, perhaps come on down and join us. I'm going to be starting the year Trent car park on Rolleston Road. Again, there will be a link with all the information down in the comments below. But it's not too far from Southwell. Car park there, probably about 10-15 cars, so you don't have to worry about struggling to get parked up. The actual route itself is 100 kilometres. It's about 62 miles. It's mostly easy to medium sort of rolling countryside of things. There's a couple of short climbs in there, but it's Nottinghamshire, so there's not really anything too difficult. There will be a cafe stop and the new dairy ice cream parlour, but you know, feel free to do what I do and eat some buns or something, because it's not going to be time of year for having ice cream, but feel free to indulge if that's what you want to do. So that's next Sunday. Let me know if you're going to attend down in the comments below. What's got your attention as well, I've got a parcel arrived today, and now I know I said I won't do unboxing videos, but this is more of a parcel. So, but I've already whipped it out, so there's no messing about with scissors and things. There's one particular item looks really good value for money, so I thought, right, I'm going to probably do a review. So I'm really excited to put that on maybe this weekend. But the first of the items is this nice bright green. Does it say what colour it is on it? Lime. So 3 pockets at the back. That looks quite good, and with their signature logo in there. Big wide pockets. Race fit. So I'm going to look forward to getting that on. I've also got a gilet, because when you watch my channel, I'm pretty much always wearing that chapeau one, and it's not good just to wear the same clothing all the time. So I've got this one as well. Unfortunately, there's no pockets on the back, which is a bit of a shame, but I did know that in advance. So this one is navy. It's the men's foundation vest. And the third item I've got, which is one I'm looking excited to wear, and these were £80, I think. So these are adventure bib shorts, and the adventure because they've actually got pockets on the legs there. Look, there's one there, and there's one on the both sides. So for £80, you know, I've got a pair of Raffle ones, and there's like £160 or something. There's a pocket there as well, and back. Now I think these are more for people racing, like put a radio or something in there. But you know, it's nice to know there is a little pocket there if I need to use it. So the chamois itself feels quite good. So yeah, I'm looking forward to putting those on. Nice bit of a treat for myself. Anyway, yeah, this video is all about that group ride, 20th of November. If you can ride for about 8:30, we're going to set off at 9 o'clock. Trent car park in Fiskerton near Southwell. 62 miles, easy riding. There's no mega steep climbs. It was going to be, hopefully the weather's, I think this time, hopefully the weather's going to be okay. Hopefully loads of people enjoy themselves, some smiling faces, and I hope to see you there a week on Sunday. For me, take care. Bye bye.